CFS Mombasa mochung' kano mwandu mago gi meli e wath Mombasa koro buono madonjo ne kambi reru mar Kenya Railways kuom monjogi kendo loro rangach mar kambino. Mind Bank Kenya Railways Ramogi kambino ma en mar familia mane en jatend piny Kenya machon Ramogi osebedo kata chenro mage e lo piny owacho e tok chik. Kano loso e lo kambino, Ibrino Dongo mabende en okil mar kambino. Kone gisetawo chenro magi chakre kan 2002 maonge rocho ratiro moro amora kendo oseo Kenya Railways mokoni temo rocho ratiro margi.
That they are claiming, and they have marked several buildings along this road, but only the customs bonded facilities that are holding customs goods has been breached. As you can see, they have broken the gates. They came with that excavator. They have broken the gates and they have put chains. This facility is a customs bonded facility. It is under the jurisdiction of a government agency, KRA, and KRC are now claiming to have, they're trying to gain access and possession of the jurisdiction of an entirely different government agency. They have chosen to take this action, disregarding the procedure, without any notice to us as tenants, without any notice to the landlords on the issues.
Jalo jatend piny Kenya Professor Kithure Kindiki oyangone sirikal otimo lokruok ne chenro mag chiwo lesen mag rego kahawa uso kod rango